Good morning, all of you. Welcome in today's trading session, Pre-Well with William O'Neill India. Today is 25th May 2023, and expiry day of this May series also. So today we can expect a lot of actions in today's market session. So let's see how market is placed and what are the key news in today's morning. But before that, this is a disclaimer from our side that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So this is the SEBI guidelines that we have to read in every session. So we are just fulfilling the SEBI guidelines. So let's move. So this is the key news in today's morning that we are trying to capture from various sources. So first is that this debt ceiling problem happening in US government, and current sitting government is trying to increase the limit, but opposite party is not even opposite party means Donald Trump party is not agree with the proposal of current government, and there is some chaos happening in US market, US government or whatever, and because of that market is turned volatile. US market also turned volatile, and but my personal opinion is that sooner or later it will be granted, because ultimately it is in the favor of country. So let's see how development will happen, but obviously it will lead to a lot of chaos and a lot of volatility in the market. Another news is that there is a Fed FOMC minutes, and it shows Fed officials divided over support of more rate hike. So few people are in support of rate hike. Few people are saying we should pause or we should reduce. So there are 2-3 kind of opinions in between that FOMC committee members. That minute says actually. And now then oil prices rose by 2% because of unexpected drawdown in this US crude inventory. And further, there was a comment from Saudi Arabia that they may further cut the oil production in coming days. And because of that, there was a sharp rise of 2% in oil prices. So this is the international key news which may impact our market also, especially this crude oil prices. Obviously, crude oil prices is always negative. Whenever increases, it is negative for India. But unless and until it is trending in range bound zone like $70 to $85, $90, as such there is not a problem. 1 or 2%, 3% move is not a big problem. But obviously, if you will change drastically, so it is going to impact our market and our economy. And then a few news about specific company specific news. LIC has presented huge numbers, 6-fold numbers, almost than 13,000 profit, declared dividend, commission, etc., etc. There are, you can read over here on the PPT. And disclaimer is that we are already advised this LIC in our TraderSmith portfolio and booked partial profit also. And now after this result, maybe one can expect more positivity in the stock. So let's see how we can ride the stock in coming days, today and in coming days. Then Nykaa profit loss tanked by 72%, and Oil India result profit rise by 10%, but it is below expectation, and revenue rose by 26%. So this is some key news that we tried to capture in today morning. Now this is the placement of overall market, global market. The US market, as I told you, that it has been trending in volatile manner. So all key indices like Nasdaq, Dow, S&P 500 closed around 0.6, 0.7% or 0.8% range. Then European market fell sharply in yesterday's trading session, almost near to 2%. DAX, FTSE and CAC in between 1.7% to 2%. SGX Nifty in today morning is trending in positive note, but mild positive, I can say. And likewise, Asian market, other part of Asian market is showing mixed picture. Like few markets are in positive zone and few markets are in negative zone. So let's see how market will behave. But at least SGX Nifty is showing some kind of uptick, but we cannot 100% rely. Now let's move on chart so we can see how it is placed. But before that, this is the derivative data in today's morning from monthly expiry point of view that is going to happen in today's trading session. Nifty PCR at 0.87% and maximum call OI stands at 18,400 followed by 500, and likewise maximum put OI 18,200 and 18,300. Means this PCR and as well as OI data also of Nifty also suggests sideways trend only. Likewise, Bank Nifty 0.71 PCR neutral, trend neutral I can say, and maximum call OI 44,000 followed by 45,000. And we can see that from the last almost 2 weeks, couple of weeks, this Bank Nifty is facing strong resistance in the range of 44,000, 44,200. And likewise, maximum put OI is placed at 43,500 followed by 43,000. And I think the today's closing in Bank Nifty is around 43,700, right? So I can say, so Bank Nifty is also showing a sideways kind of a trend. And our comment from the last, if you remember, in last Bajar Pe Charcha and last week and last report also, we have suggested that we can expect sideways kind of sessions in coming days. We are not expecting either major upside move or downside moves in coming days. Now let's see how it is placed on chart technically on this short-term point of view. So short-term point of view, I mean to say immediately this expiry point of view. So see, this particular line that I have drawn here is a key level to watch. First, suppose this Nifty will breach this upward sloping trend line. So first sign that it will, if it will breach this upward sloping trend line, so one can expect that weakness may extend in coming days. First thing. Another thing is 21 days exponential moving average. Over here, I have not plotted on this, but 21 days exponential moving average. Last, actually, this recent fall happened in last week. And when Nifty touched almost 18,050 kind of zone, so 21 days exponential moving average placed in that range. So I can say 18,050 or 21 days exponential moving average is also a key level to watch. Suppose it will breach 18,050 or 18,000 psychological mark, then one can say weakness may extend. But in my opinion, I can say 17,800 is a very strong support in Nifty. Suppose it will breach 18,000, 18,800 kind of 17,800 kind of level, then we can say that weakness may extend in coming days also. So overall, net to net, I can say Nifty is in sideways. I am not expecting plus or minus 100, 150 to 200 points. Either side break move in today's trading sessions. The most probably it will remain traded sideways only. In upside maximums 18,400, 450, and downside in maximum I can expect 18,200 on the basis of call OI data. Okay. Now next I can say Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also placed in same manner actually. If I draw a trend line here on this Bank Nifty chart also, so this is the trend line that you can keep watching. It is just about to this trend line. Suppose it will start trending below this, so maybe some negativity will extend. But further, 44,200 is a critical level to watch in upside. Suppose it will cross 44,200, then we can expect some more positivity. But that probability of crossing 44,200 is quite low, at least in my opinion. So once again, I am expecting this sideways kind of zone only in Bank Nifty. But yes, this trend line as well as 21 days exponential moving average and level of 43,000 is a critical level to watch in this Bank Nifty. Suppose it will breach either one of these 21 days exponential moving average or this upward sloping trend line or level of 43,000, then I would expect negativity in coming days in Bank Nifty also. So net to net, this major sectoral index which carries almost 38-39% weightage in our benchmark index Nifty 50 is also trending in sideways only, in my opinion. 44,200 is a critical level to watch in upside. Suppose it will give breakout above that, which probability is quite low in my opinion at least. So suppose it will give breakout, then maybe one can expect positivity, otherwise not. So net today market is in sideways, in my opinion. So that's it from our side in today's pre-bill. Today we are going to conduct this Bajar Pe Charcha at 4:30 p.m. and I would invite all of you to join the session at 4:30 to get more detailed discussion and query for answer of your queries also.